Just want to show you guys a crawl space encapsulation that we just finished. This is done by one of our other crew members who's been working in his training and finally got to take on his own crew, and want to show you guys the quality of the work that he produced. So there's a big humidity problem in this crawl space, and there was no drainage issues. It was all humidity. So we installed our 90 mil liner, and we have that taking care of all the moisture with our dehumidifier that's back here. But look how nice and clean and perfect this is. They really did an outstanding job. I mean, this is really, really top-notch work. So we focus a lot in our training. This particular person had to train for a year before he was able to take on his own crew. And we're glad that he put all the time in. As you can see, absolute perfection. So, as a company, we really couldn't be happier with how this turned out. That's our AprilAire 1850 dehumidifier. This is a smaller crawl space, so there's no reason for us to duck this. It's going to balance itself out. So, just take you back and really just look at the amazing work that they did. So when you hire H2O Pro for a crawl space encapsulation, you know that you're going to get top-notch work. So, if you want to improve your indoor air quality, make sure that you don't get mold in your house. Also, reduce your energy bill, or even get ready to sell your house and want to add value to your property and make sure it sells faster, definitely call us to have your crawl space encapsulated. Our phone number is 302-321-7077. You can find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like and share, and hit us up with any comments that you have below. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and have a great day.